In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair your Duolingo streak. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So the first method is use a streak repair. So this is within 24 hours of missing a day. So if you miss a day, Duolingo allows you to repair your streak within 24 hours using lingots, gems, or for a streak repair purchase. So once you open up Duolingo, you will get a pop-up that is saying repair streak. So you can pay your gems or make an in-app purchase to repair that and your streak will be restored. You can also go to duolingo.com, log in and look for the streak notification, then click repair streak and then use lingot or confirm the repair. Another way what we can do is to go back and go inside our mobile device settings and look for date and time. So I'm just going to do a search on my phone, date and time. There it is under general management. And then click into date and time. Where it says automatic date and time, go ahead and click onto that and disable that. And now say if where it says set date, so depending where you lost your streak, so if you lost it on the 27th of May, go ahead and click on the 27th of May and click done. So now, as you can see, it's set dates at 27th of May. So if I go and have a look at my calendar here, it says the 27th of May now on inside my phone. From here, force close your Duolingo app. So click and hold it down, click on I and click on force stop. So force stop the app. And then from here, go ahead and log back into Duolingo. Now your lessons should sync. And also you should see your streak restored as well. If this doesn't work, you can also try setting your time zone file. So I'll go back to settings, set date, but set it with airplane mode turned on, and then go back and then open up Duolingo and then obviously turn airplane mode off and then go from there. That should restore your streak inside the Duolingo application.